We are going to start with linear equations for class 8. We will start with simple and basic equations. So a linear equation, there will be two sides. The one before equal to will be called left hand side and the one after equal to will be called the right hand side. So in this equation, x plus 4 is equal to 21. So the trick is to keep variables like alphabets on one side and the numbers on the other side. So I will shift x is equal to 21 plus 4 which is on the left hand side to the right hand side. So when it transports from plus 4 left hand side to right hand side, it becomes minus. So x is equal to 17. Same way, this is the left hand side before equal to, this is the right hand side after equal to. So I will keep y on the left hand side and 2 on the right hand side as it is. So I will be transporting minus 8 from left hand side to right hand side. So y becomes 10. So now here 3t means 3 multiplied by t. And this is left hand side and this is right hand side. So now our job 3, when multiplication moves from left hand side to right hand side, it will become division. So t is equal to 9 divided by 3, which is 3. Same way 4m means 4 into m. So m is equal to minus 12 divided by 4. So multiplication becomes division. So 4 1s are, 4 3s are 12 and the minus sign. Let us go to this sum. Now here there is a subtraction and a multiplication, but first we will always do addition or subtraction. So here 2m will be in the left hand side as it is, 5 in the right hand side as it is, minus 3 from left hand side. When it comes to right hand side, it becomes plus 3. So 2m is equal to 8. So m is equal to 8 divided by 2. Why? Because 2m is multiplied. When it comes here, it becomes division. Now here, if there is no number below 3, that means it is 1. So y is equal to 1 by 3 multiplied by, when 3 by 1 leaves left hand side and comes to right hand side, it becomes 1 by 3, which is equal to 1 by 9. 2x is equal to 0. So x is equal to 0. Multiplication becomes division is equal to 0. And the last sum, 3t minus 11 is equal to 7. So 3t in the left hand side as it is, 7 in the right hand side as it is, and minus 11, when it transfers from left to right, it becomes plus 11. So 3t is equal to 11 plus 7, 18. T is equal to 18. Now 3 is multiply over here. When it comes here, it becomes division. So 3 6 are 18. So children, we have learned basic equations.